Mama's across the gate. Rough! You guys are gonna face this way, I'll come this way. My little shorties. Here comes another one. Hi guys. Oh, hello, love. Hello. How are you, girl? It's my little Joya. Yeah. Aww. Hi, sweetheart. You're gonna be the first one out of here, eh? I bet you are. You were the first one out of the pool. Here's my little Amore. Hello, Amore. Come here. Hey. Concentrate on your puppies. Play with me. What? Forte, you're supposed to be strong, not whiny. Hey? Yeah? There's your brother Salver. He's over there. Squishy face. Hi, love. Hi, love. You guys want some... You want some mush? I got some mush here. Want some of... Ooh. You want some of this? Here. What's that? Oh. Step right up. Or step right in. Either way. Make a mess. It's okay, I cleaned it up. What is that, buddy? Dawn likes it. Here we go. Mushy time. Mushy time. Look at you. My little shorties. Can't eat that big food yet. That's Mama's food. Oh, Dawn's gonna walk in it. Oh, look, there it is. Oh, hello, love. Literally. Yeah. Hi, More. Hi, sweets. Oh, sorry. Poke you in the nose. Poke you in the nose. Hello. Look, you got mush on your chin. Now I have it on my hand. Here you go. Good girls. Oh, there we go. Mushy Masters. Good stuff.